If you have a spare couple of minutes, listen up, because I'm about to save you from the neighbourhood shame of an uneven, patchy lawn. Mowing your lawn might seem as simple as pushing a noisy mower back and forth, but let me tell you a little story. Last summer, a mate of mine decided to leave his lawn for 6 weeks without mowing, then cut it down far too low. The result? His backyard was turned into a scalped disaster. Moral of the story? Mow like a pro or live with the shame. So here are my top 3 rules. Rule 1. Know your mower. Check fuel and oil. Keep those blades sharp, because blunt blades tear grass instead of slicing it. Think of it like getting a haircut with garden shears. Not pretty. Rule 2. Follow the 1/3 rule. Never cut more than 1/3 of the leaf in one go. Cut too low and your lawn goes into panic mode. The turf gets stressed and the weeds will move in like bad neighbours. Rule 3. Make it a masterpiece. Want those glorious stripes you see in stadiums? Well, the key is to mow frequently. The more frequent the cut, the healthier your lawn will be. Mow in straight lines, overlap slightly, and change directions each mow. It's like giving your lawn a fresh parting each week. And finally, try not to mow wet grass, unless you like clogged mowers and brown patches. So let's say goodbye to chaotic zigzags and hello to the lush green envy of the street. Are you ready to become a lawn legend? Head over to Lilydale Instant Lawn for turf tips, pro videos, and the best grass varieties to suit your style, because life's too short for ugly lawns.